Hi, I'm Anish, and this is my submission for Google Tunix Hack, where I fine-tuned Gemma 3 1B model using Tunix in a single Kaggle TPU session to generate explicit reasoning traces. So this is the code, and the pipeline has two phases. Phase 1 is SFT warmup, just to teach the model the output structure. Here I force the TPU, use small learning rate, and mix five datasets for reasoning, coding, science, summarization, and math. So the model doesn't just overfit in one domain. And the main part is this where we teach the strict format, reason inside the reasoning tag and answer inside the answer tag. And then the output is saved as an fallback checkpoint, which becomes the starting point for GRPO. Now we go to phase two, where I actually optimize the reasoning quality and correctness on TPU. So GRPO starts from phase one SFT checkpoint, and then I kept the max steps as 1400. I could have increased the max steps, but debugging the code took 3 hours, and training took around 4.5 hours, and we only had like 9 hours of TPU session, and I'm out of TPU quota this week. Now, num generate patch size is 1 because GRPO is memory heavy on TPU, and stability mattered much more than throughput. And num generations is 4, and, and that gives the GRPO a strong learning signal. And learning rate is 10 to the power of -6 because RL fine tuning can destabilize quickly, especially on smaller models. Now, for sequence length, both prompt and generation are set to 256 uh, because if I changed even one of them to 512, I'd instantly hit an out of memory error, and I didn't want to use values like 300 because I didn't like it, and 256 looks clean. Now the reference model stays as the SFT base, and the actor uses LoRA, which is much more TP friendly than full fine tuning. And we have three reward functions: one for format correctness, one for answer correctness, and one for anti-junk penalty. And then the final artifact is saved at the Gemma 3 1B underscore GRPO underscore RL, which is this path. And it's loadable in Unix, not as an sensor, which matches the rules. Thanks for watching.